Let's talk about soothing the soreness, home remedies for strep throat. Strep throat, caused by the Streptococcus bacteria, is a common and uncomfortable throat infection that often results in a sore throat, fever, and difficulty swallowing. While antibiotics are commonly prescribed for bacterial infections, there are also several effective home remedies that can help alleviate symptoms and promote healing. These remedies focus on soothing the soreness, reducing inflammation, and providing relief. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Here are some home remedies that may offer comfort during your battle with strep throat. Thank you for your visit to Get Off the Meds. If this video helps or informs you, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids is essential to stay hydrated and help soothe a sore throat. Warm beverages such as herbal teas, broths, and warm water with honey and lemon can provide relief. Gargle with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water is a time-tested remedy for sore throats. The salt helps reduce inflammation and ease discomfort. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Honey and lemon. A mixture of honey and lemon can be a soothing and tasty remedy. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C and helps cut through mucus. Mix a tablespoon of honey with warm water and a squeeze of lemon. Use humidifiers. Adding moisture to the air can relieve throat irritation. Using a humidifier in your room, especially during sleep, helps keep the throat moist and reduces discomfort. Be sure to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent the growth of bacteria. Licorice root tea. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce throat irritation. Drinking licorice root tea, available in health food stores, can be beneficial. However, pregnant women and those with high blood pressure should avoid excessive licorice consumption. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is known for its mucilage content, which forms a protective layer on the throat lining. You can find marshmallow root tea or capsules at health food stores. Apple cider vinegar. Gargling with a mixture of warm water and apple cider vinegar can help create an inhospitable environment for bacteria. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of warm water and gargle several times a day. Rest and relaxation. Adequate rest is crucial for your body to recover. Ensure you get plenty of sleep and take it easy to allow your immune system to effectively combat the infection. Over-the-counter pain relievers. Non-prescription pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen can help alleviate pain and reduce fever. Follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. While these time-tested home remedies can offer relief for strep throat symptoms, it's important to note that they do not replace medical advice and treatment. If you suspect you have strep throat, consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance on the most effective course of action. Additionally, if symptoms persist or worsen, seek medical attention promptly. Taking a holistic approach by combining these remedies with prescribed treatments can help you on the road to recovery.